Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Suraswa here, founder of Online Study for You. Friend, there is a big news which is coming here from TCS. TCS has finally started the registration in their Launchpad for 2026 batch. I will give you the complete details. Before that, friends, I would request all of you to please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you will be getting all the updates on time. Also, in this video we will be discussing about TCS NQT 2025 result update. However, there is no big update available, okay, but still whatever I know I will tell you. Okay, fine. So friends, 2026 batch, as I had said you earlier, so the free NQT will happen twice in a year. So one is expected in October, November, and the another one will be expected in March, April. Okay. So 2 times TCS, does free NQT exam for every year batch. So for 2026 batch, on campus will happen in October, November, and off campus will be happening in March, April. Okay. So join TCS Launchpad, our exclusive student community for the 2026 batch. So basically the job notification has not come out. Okay, see what they're telling. If you are a new user, you click here. If you are already a registered user, then click on TCS Next Step and have an account on the TCS Launchpad. So Launchpad is a kind of community where you will be getting all the details with respect to TCS hiring process. Okay, so TCS Launchpad is thriving community of young talents aspiring to an optimal start to their career with TCS. Friends, one thing is sure, that TCS is going to hire 2026 batch candidate, and there is no impact of that 12,000 layoffs, because that 12,000 layoffs was done for mid and senior level, and this mid and senior level employee were not able to get mapped into other project. Okay, so TCS okay, anyway, think of an exclusive learning space that covers that length and breadth of everything you want to know and need to know to step into the corporate world with confidence. Let's Launchpad for you. That's Launchpad for you. This unique platform offers a wide array of carefully curated learning modules, engagement and expert connect sessions that you can leverage to update your knowledge and hone your skills. It has all the right resources that will give you an edge in your preparation for the hiring test, which is your gateway to TCS careers. Okay, fine. So TCS Launchpad is one-step solution for all your learning needs. So expert webinars, interview preparations, leaders connects, TCS Bytes, podcast, quizzes. Get started with TCS Launchpad. Okay, so what you can do, you can click over here, and once you click over here, then you will be redirected to the TCS Launchpad. Friends, one thing, how are you going to prepare for it? Okay, so it's very simple, friends. See how many students have already got selected in 2024, 2025. So not only here, you can also come down here and see okay, so the number of selected students, right? So in every domain, not only digital, so prime. So here you see, so you selected in 5 companies. Okay, TCS Prime. So here TCS is also there. Okay, TCS Prime. And then if you come down here, so okay, so this is my photo, just ignore. Okay, and then here you see, so TCS digital offer 7.5 LPA. So on our post only, there will be lot of candidates will be there who has been placed, okay, recently. And friends, see the reason of the students getting placed. See here also we have another candidate. So TCS digital offer Mridul Gupta, right, from 2025 batch, you see, from the batch of 2025. So there are a lot of candidates who got selected in TCS for the different profile, and the only reason is, friends, the effort which we put here, right? See, if you will try to see the classes which is going on, so 25th of August to 31st of August this week, so mock interview. See, from now only we are preparing you for the interviews. Tuesday, verbal ability with Isa ma'am, aptitude class with Pratik sir. Okay, Wednesday, because of Ganesh Chaturthi, we have no class. Thursday, C++ class with Ankan sir, and same day Java classes with Adarsh sir. Friday, aptitude classes with Pratik sir. Saturday Python classes with Priyansi ma'am. Okay, so whole week there are classes going on, and that is the reason the results are coming. Achiever batch 2.5, right? So is the course from where more number of or maximum number of result has come. And friends, I'm telling you, right? So if you want to get selected, you have to see, because your exam is very nearby. Now you will think, once this, see, maximum of the student what they does the mistake. So once the notification is out, then only I'll prepare. Where you will get time? TCS syllabus is so vast that you will not be able to prepare. And if you want only to prepare for the TCS NQT crash course, then you can go with this TCS NQT crash course. And friends, every time we introduce some and the other things here. So now if you'll go and check our content, so communication assessment, AI, see, AI related AI tool workshop, which will help you to make the resume, which will help you to gain the knowledge. Okay, and then English communication. So lot of classes are getting added, and all those things are going to help you a lot in your preparation, friends. So start your preparation from today. Don't wait for the notification, otherwise it will be very, very difficult for you to get placed. Okay, now anyway, so now let us come back. And friends, TCS NQT 2025. So what is the update on the result? So friends, if you will frankly telling, there is no such update, okay, that when TCS results will be announced. But one thing, by September month end, that is what TCS is telling. So see, earlier they were telling August 2025. Now friends, what is happening? They have already started with the layoff process. They have already started with the 12,000 layoff process. Okay, and they are basically restructuring. Okay, they are basically restructuring. Okay, so they are restructuring. So because of this restructuring, definitely your results and onboarding is getting delayed. Okay, friends, TCS. Now TCS is in total cost saving mode. Total cost saving. So now TCS is total cost saving. So they are saving the cost. So what you can expect is that September end, okay, your result might get announced. And the reason of delay is very, very clear. Sir, you simply make videos for view. Friends, see, do you think that online study for you needs views and to provide such kind of information? No. See, I will show you one thing. See, if you'll go to our channel and if you'll see the videos, right, if you'll see the videos, see here, for this particular video I got 3.4k views. That is a list one. Okay, see, if I make this kind of videos, I will get more views, but my intention will not be getting views. My intention is, how can I help you? I know, see, after seeing this video, Cognizant SQL question, 5,000 views. So definitely whatever technical assessment videos I am going to make, I will get less views. Views is not my concern. My concern is how much you are getting benefited. Even there is a small information, I will pass it to you. Rest, it will be always up to you. How do you take it? But our intention will be always to help you out. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. TCS NQT 2026. Please start from now, okay, because the time is very, very less. Already August over, September, October, so you have another 2 months. So utilize this time properly. Thank you. Take care and all the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, bhaiya, please take care.